Back to the beach, Madeira Beach. Wednesday morning, June 10th. About 7:30, maybe 8. Lost track of time. Gathered up some shells in a bucket. I put them in my plants to deter the squirrels. Squirrels are digging. I made the huge mistake of feeding them one time. Probably ran through 15 pounds of peanuts, and them freaks are now digging, burying, and they're ruining my plants. So I put seashells top layer of the pots. Keep squirrels out. Yeah, it's nice out here when the sun's not up. Humid, sticky, always. Temp, I don't know. Low 80s for sure. Today, not a lot going on. Yesterday was Witchcraft Day. It was a spiritual, I can't say witch because we didn't get to see the witch after all. It was just a salesperson at a witchcraft store. But I got me some carnelian and instantly felt sick and tired. So that didn't work. Too powerful. Need to ease into it. Work into it slowly. We'll figure it out. No voodoo doll, which was not in session. So that's pending. Mazzaros, as expected, as hoped. But prices outrageous. Salami, $18.99 a pound. Cheese, $5.99 for a small half-pound ball of mazza. Mozzarella. Italian bread loaf. It's big. It's thick. $3.50. Biscotti. Got a few sticks of biscotti for my coffee. Run you, I don't know, 12 bucks a pound for fucking biscotti. There's a beach ball. Coffee, 16 a pound. Haven't tried it yet. I got a espresso 5 bean blend, fresh ground, nice. Oh yeah, the salami is very tasty. It's really, really good. So yeah, I think I bought 5 things. 1 meat, 2 cheese, 1 bread, 1 biscotti, 1 coffee. Yeah. Over $50, no EBT, no food card. Don't know if they charged me a fee for using my credit card. I need to check that out. I bet they did. So they're kind of rude. They're slammed, they're busy, but it wasn't elbow to elbow. It wasn't combat shopping, so it could be worse. What else? I think that was it. 2-pack. Just a 2-pack, no Tasty Freeze. So probably done spending money for the month. Got 3 weeks left. Just spent so much. Went to the Asian store the other day. MD Market. It's a good one. It's a big one. I think it's the biggest one around. Got tired. Got let me think what I got. Oh, the walkers are coming. Got me a decent sized jar of kimchi for $8.99. Got a 24-pack of dim sum, bibimbap pot stickers. I think that was running like $8.99. Got a small pack of egg roll, also about $8.99. Got some nangshim, cup noodle. Run me $1.49. Got me a little package of them dried up little scoundrels, those little sardines. Fry them up with sesame oil and soy sauce. Got that. I think that was like Probably $3.99, small pack. Kalbi ribs running about $10 a pound. Yeah, it's tough. It used to be $7.99. You know, it was $6.99. Fucking, excuse me, 5 years ago, 6 years ago. Yeah, that's about doubled. Yeah, so I loaded up on some ching chow, make rice. I tell you, your deals are at Aldi. It's the only way to go, the only way to shop. This is precious right here. It's the only way to shop is Aldi. You're looking at pounds of meat. What is it getting? Drumsticks for $1. Chicken quarters with the thigh and the leg for $2. Pork shoulder, butt shoulder, marinated, ready to go in the crock pot. Make your pulled pork. That's only like $2.79 a pound. Yeah. So you can splurge every now and then on the ethnic stuff, but just go straight American. German, really, but Aldi's the one. It's the one. Walmart, actually, most items are pennies higher and inferior quality. Just the quality is poor. It's very poor. So that's it. Probably, oh yeah, I went to Walgreens yesterday morning. Treasure Island liquor store is pretty solid. Hadn't been there for quite a while. Found Old Forester, Prohibition style, 1920, on sale. Don't even want to say what I paid for it, but it was definitely on sale. So, yeah, 115 proof, pretty good. Tastes like bananas, apples, little apple turnover-y. Not a real sweet one, not a real caramely one, a little brown sugar. It's pretty good. It's really good for the proof. You can't even tell. I mean, drink it slow, you'll be fine. You'll be fine. All right, well, we got a parade going. I better join the parade, y'all. Later.